welcome back to my channel. So today I have an exciting unboxing to share with you guys, which is from CASETiFY collaboration with NBA. This is their newest collection, Drop 2, which is gonna be available for sales on 30th April. So you guys can get a sneak peek of the case that is gonna come out in this video. So without further ado, let's get right into it. The unboxing, I received my two cases in this CASETiFY nicely bubble wrap, but I already opened it up. It's very well protected and always have the CASETiFY logos and drawings on it, which is really cute. And inside it comes with a card and two case. So this card over here says gear up with drop 2 of NBA X CASETiFY collabs, which looks really cute. You have all the NBA logos right here. Kind of like can pick your favorite team and show it off in your phone case style, which makes it like customizable and like really personal as well, which I really like. I'll show you guys a close-up of this card so you guys can read it as well. This is a close-up of the drop 2 of NBA X CASETiFY card. So these are the details. So it will be available to shop on April 30th. And you can choose your favorite NBA team and exclusively design it to cover and protect your phone. So I'll show you guys the case that I picked up. So this is the one, this one, and this one. I choose mine in this design. This is the one that's customizable. So I have like my favorite team, my name, and like dates that I can put in as well. I'll show you guys a close up. And this is the other one that's also customizable as well. So you just pick your favorite team and it comes in your favorite team color, and there is also CASETiFY logo and NBA logo as well. I love that it's very personal and it's really up for your like preference, and at the same time it protects your phone. So I'll show you guys a close-up of both case, like the details, so you guys can get a better idea of what to expect for their drop 2. This is the NBA CASETiFY Drop 2. I gotten 2 cases from them, and mine's in the size of iPhone 12 Pro. And I'll show you guys the first design right now. So this is the one, NBA, and I choose the one in Lakers, and it just looks super cute. I love the yellow see-through casing. And I love how the logos are all laid out like this, which looks really wonderful. And I'll show you. So all the details are really nice and really nicely placed as well. And yeah, it's really well protected, and there's a bumble on the side so it can protect your phone while you look stylish. So yeah. So this is the second phone cover that I picked up. I choose the one, the Lakers design as well. And I love that I included my name here. And I choose a date, which was my birthday, but the year is not the year of my birthday, it is this year. And yeah, it's really exclusive. And I love this simple thing. And this barcode here is really cute. I just love it so much. So yeah, I haven't taken it out yet. So at the back, it looks like this. It's same as the drop one, like with the NBA certified official license cases of NBA and CASETiFY. It's just really grand, and the packaging is really nice as well. So over here it says state your case, not start your case. And yeah, that's how this looks like. So thank you for watching it to the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do let me know which one is your favorite and what you think about this upcoming collection.